So we just need to run the program. Already we completed. You see, we already installed the plugin of Playwright, right? Even you can run from here. You can see, you can run from here. You don't need to give the command every time. So you can run from here also. Running global setup. So running one test, verify file upload. Only that test case you can run. That's so easy, right? You don't need to run all the test cases. Okay. Oh, see what is the mistake we did? The typo. Please, the whatever you have given promise, you should give that promise. Again, rerun it. It will start. Expected to have text. Why this is throwing error? Simply I'll use arrays XPath. Okay. Let's use this. Let's run this again. Oh, this is painful. We have to click multiple times. Still running. Clear. Run from here. Verify file upload. It's going to
Yo,
file upload dot spec.
I think it's better to test the locator identification.
So it will work. That is the correct one only. You can see here we can put H3. So it recognizes. one element. No issues with that. Only the problem it is going. Let me restart this. I think it started. Yeah, it started. Still it is failing. One, two, the two we close it, right?
Contains, can you use contains?
Contains, no. To have text. To contain. It should work this one only. What is saying it? Error expected. He will give here some solution. Let's see what he has given. Okay, received. Oh, null, it is not receiving. Okay. To have a text, this locator, we'll see again. I'll write this XPath, otherwise this XPath. Let me use this XPath. Okay. It is getting a null, not getting any value. Let's see what is the issue. Otherwise, you get the text and then you verify that. Yeah, still we are not getting. So what I'm going to, I'll take out this entire thing. Okay, but that locator should have. Okay, fine. Const implode equal to this one. Await page dot locator. This element. The element should have text. Expected string. That's right. Expected string is this one only. Put await for this also. So that locator should have a text, that one. Now it is passed, right? So now we are good. I don't know what is the, nothing we changed, right? Just we took another variable and put it here and this one. Yeah. Anyhow, so that's the simple thing you can do. Or you can write this one, right? This one you can write another way, just without locator. So how can you do that? Page dot set input files. So you know all this process, right? We did multiple times. So directly you are giving set input files method you are calling. If you are giving this one and this one, multiple things. You can try this and multiple files out upload. Let's see why it is giving error again. Yeah. So now multiple files out upload. Let me show you more. Multiple files uploading. So what you can do, verify multiple file upload. So, but I have to take that exact URL. So we don't have here. I'll take this one. We have a so multiple file uploads, right? This one, I'll take this URL and I'll do the multiple files. So you should have a provision. Your application should provide that. Giving multiple files upload. So this is giving. I'm taking that URL, and so what is this address? What is that? Yeah, see ID, multiple files input. So that's what we need to have. The locators and the facility should have first. Okay. Now I'm going to add one more file. So you can add in the array. Basically, you can add in the array all the files. So multiple files you want, you can add in the array. So you have to put in the array. So square bracket. So put the square bracket and then give all your files. So now this is going to be array, right? So specify here the array you started. You know how to start array. I hope you all know, right? This is the array. So on first element we kept, one more file I want to keep it. So let me add one more file here. I'll take up one more JSON file. Okay, this JSON file I'll take. Copy, and I'll go here. So open in Explorer. Put one more file. So you give this data.json file. So again you have to give ./upload. So dot means the current directory, current to your project. In that current project, upload folder inside data.json. Okay, like this you can upload multiple files. So what is this? And you have to click on upload files, right? This one you have to click. After adding that, you have to click on this button, type submit. So I'll write a CSS selector or whatever it is. So click on multiple file upload button. So I am going to write button square bracket type equal to submit. Double quotes. Yeah, so that's it. Let's remove this, but yeah, we'll see what is the next one after uploading. So let's select multiple files. One is this one, another one is this one. Then click on upload. So multiple files selected, all you can see here. So that's it. I think we are good. Remove this one. Just run the test cases, both of them. So single file upload we have seen, multiple files. Also set input files method will help you to do that. But what about file chooser? If there are, you have a input file, you are uploading that. What is this? Oh, okay. You see that? It is clearly saying, so locator dot click, strict mode violation, locator button type, resolve two elements. There are two elements. So you have to give proper show XPath. So it is, but this one has given, see here one and here one. So I'm going to use this XPath, okay, or this one. I can use this CSS select. You have to give unique so thing, otherwise it won't do that. Yeah, perfect. So let's do that. Right, so now perfectly it is going. Now let me write another test case. So if you want to choose, you want to click and choose the files. So then you can use a file chooser event. So file chooser event you can write and automatically it will. So you have to wait for this upload multiple files and with a file chooser. So let's go and write this how to do that, and I'm going to check even multiple files are there or not, and so all these files one by one you can set it up. So even this concept you can use for a single file upload also. If you click on this, you're clicking on that, right? You're clicking and doing that. But before, in this, did you observe I didn't click here? Please observe that is a difference. Now I'm going to show you other approach. Here I didn't click on that. See, in both cases I didn't click on this. But next approach, I'm going to click and choose the file. So that is the one I'm going to do. How to do that? So I have shown you without clicking, single file out upload and multiple files out upload. Now let me show you another one with a file chooser. File chooser means when you click on the choose file and the window will open where you can select the files, right? So that I'm going to show you with the clicking, by clicking on that. So third one, multiple file upload with file chooser. With file chooser. So here you have to write one listener for this. You have to write one listener, but by so waiting for this file chooser event, you have to wait for the file chooser event. Then then click on that. So choose file button. Then you can upload files. Is it multiple or single? Also you can check if you want. So let's write that. What is the extra you are doing here? So the extra thing I'm doing here is, so I'm not going to use this now, but yeah, before that I want to do the listener I have to set up. So what is that? You have to write await promise. There is a promise dot all. That means multiple files you are choosing and put an array. So in this array, you write all the events. What are all the events you want? So the events I want to write is, first one is I will wait for the page dot wait for event. So what event? File chooser event. So you can put file chooser. See, you are automatically getting that file chooser event. You wait for the file chooser event, comma, and then click on that link. Click on this. So this multi files input, right? This one you need to click on that. So you have to give that page dot click and give that locator. So what is that locator? Just take this locator, this one. So ID, multiple files input. So I'm going to write hash the locator. That's it. So, and it will select, you're clicking on that. Once you click on that, so you store this in the one variable, okay? You store this promise into one variable. That is, so const array variable, that is upload files. Multiple files you're uploading, that's stored in the one array variable. So with this, you can call is multiple. If you want to check, is it a multiple checkboxes, you can check also. So const, I'm giving another method for you, is multiple equal to, so that this variable dot is multiple, you can say is multiple method is there. So it will tell whether this is a multi-file upload or not. So then you can print if you want to see that multi upload or not. So you can call is multiple. Next, so you can see, you can set the files here. You can just call upload files dot set input files. So now you can upload all the files, whatever the files you want. So you don't need to write this one because you just need to set the files only files, the multiple files. That's it. If you want, you can click on this. After that, you can click on that button for uploading. Okay, so this is the complete. This is a bit complex one, but yeah. So this is the approach. If you want to click on choose file. If you don't want to click on choose file, this is the approach. So this one is easy, right? This is straightforward. But make sure if you don't have type equal to file, input tag type equal to file, this doesn't work out. So this doesn't work out. Then only you have to use this one. Okay, if you want to choose, click on choose and then select files, and this will work. Clear? When to use this approach, when to use this approach. Even this you can use for a single file also. Okay, single file also you can use, because we have given multiple files here, but you can give even for single file also. Now let's run this. Three test cases we are doing. First one is done. Second one failed. Okay. I think function, we used wrong function here. Let me show. Okay, where is that? So this one, yeah, this is the set files, not set input files. So we have a set files method and you're setting these files. If you use the promise, okay, if you use this concept, you have to use a set files method, not a set input file. That's why it is complaining. Two passed, but one is failed. The reason is it's a method we use, a wrong method. Set files method we have to use. So let's run it again. So 3 passed, right? No issues now. Is this clear or any questions here? So when to use set input files method, when to use this set file methods. Any questions? If you are clear, I will move on to the next topic.
Sir, in the line number 32,
Mhm.
we need await, then pays dot all, right? Pays or promise, anything we can
Not
give?
returning a promise, event. Event listener. This not no page. So promise dot all means all the events in this. So return to this thing. So that is what we are doing here. It's just a listener. A promise. It is going all the promises you resolve and store here. So then you can use that promise. So in the next consequent steps. So this is the one promise. First it will wait for this event and then is another event. Multiple events it is resolving. The promise means the events which occurs it will resolve them. So it resolved all of them. So first file chooser and click on that and file chooser it will wait and then stores here. Then you are using next step process. So on this file upload, yeah, is this multiple? Yes, this is a multiple file upload. And then you are setting the files, which files you want to upload. So that you are setting all the files. And then you are clicking on the button.
For example, for the single file, so just we'll give
Just
that big
mention
element
one
as
file.
a,
Just mention
yeah,
one file here. Here you just mention one file. It will work for both of them. Okay. Single file means you have to change here the locator of your element.
located. Correct. Oh, yeah,
That's
yeah,
it.
correct.
Remaining
Okay,
thing, everything is same only.
okay.
But he is multiple
Even
will
if
return
it
a
is
false.
if it is multiple, also we need to mention as array, sir. No need, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Even so, you can mention a single or multiple. This is the listener you have to write. So this
okay,
listener for file chooser event. That means you are clicking on that choose file button, and the pop-up came for you. That scenarios you can use this one.
okay. So here, sir, we are just placing a file in the solution itself, right?
Hmm. No, here we are not placing here. After resolution, after the promise is resolved, then you are
Mm-hmm.
setting your files here. Here you are
Yeah,
setting the files.
yeah.
Which files you
No,
want to
sir.
keep?
Here we have kept it folder, right? In upload folder.
Hmm.
So, for example, in the real time, if we are uploading one file
Hmm.
and just will place that file in upload, then that will be sufficient. And if we are trying to push the changes to master, then other person can able to clone that one. And if he runs the code, will it work, sir?
So this dot represent the current directory. Anywhere it will work. This will
Okay.
work for
But
any.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
this
But
dot
while
means current
creating
directory.
PR, yeah,
That one.
will while we are creating PR, we need to push these changes also to master, right?
Yeah, yeah. You have to pull everything. This is
Okay.
it's mandatory. It should go to the branch, right? It should be
Mm-hmm.
available. It should be
Okay.
available files.
Got it.
These
Got
are
it.
all your
Okay.
test data. Okay,
Okay, sir.
test data.
Mm,
So you need to
got it.
set that is a very
Got
important.
it. Thank you, sir. Yeah, got it.
Okay. So that's how to upload files. Let's see how to download files, right? So how to download similar kind of approach. You can do this. Just downloading and you can give the path, it will download and save it to somewhere in your project also. How to do that? So you can take any website, uh, but so you have to click, right? Let's see that first manually you try it out. Here we have it down. Otherwise we can go here. We have here. to download. Somewhere we have seen, right? File download.
No, up, Ramesh. There is a file upload and file download.
File download. So here it is. You can click on anything, okay? You can click on anything, one of the link, and that will download for us. So, but this is a temporary file. Maybe I can give one proper one. This one, you can give this one. See, it is downloading, right? It is downloading. But anything you have to give file name exactly. That is downloading. But how to save that to your project? So how to save that to your project directly? So let's go and see that now. How can we do all this? And just click on that. And yeah, again, same concept. You have to wait for the download promise. You have here very clearly has given code. See that? Wait for event download. This is the one you have to follow. So page dot on promise, but you can do this. Wait for the download event. You have to do that. So then same code, whatever I have written previously, right? You can use the same code. You click on that, it will download. But that download, so it will go and store in your system, and that will store in the temporary location, not in the no. Once your test case execution is completed, then it won't be available. But how to save it to your project directory? Let's go and see that. The same will upload. Download files. We have 7 minutes. Let's quickly finish this. So I'll create a new file. I'll just copy paste a little bit. Okay, so this one. File download. .spec.js. I'll copy from here this part. This part I'll copy. Okay, const test.expect equal to require single quotes playwright test. Okay, verify file download. Let's say verify file download. So I have to take this URL only. Yeah, let's take from here. I'll take that. Quickly, you can change this. Okay. So then is same code you can do this. So what is the code you have to do? Here you can just put, so one file we are downloading, right? Download. Just put download variable and await dot promise dot all and await event. What is the event name?
File download.
Download. Just download. So what is the event name is a download.
Download.
And you need to click on that. So which link you have to click? You have to give the exact that
Lambda
so,
dot test.
But let's see what is the locator we can take.
Lambda test.
So is okay. He's giving this one. I'll take this locator. Okay, I'll take this locator and just give that locator. Okay, so but here no single quotes are there. Outside you put a double quotes, then it will be resolved. Yeah, issue is resolved. Now after that, what you need to do is, so you get the file. Okay, so maybe there are many files will be there. First file you get it. So get the file, suggested file name. What is that file name? So you get that file name. Our file name. Basically, you need to get our file name. So I'm going to put this, all this I'll remove. I'm reusing, so you can reduce file name equal to, and the variable, this the download. Yeah, no need to. So here you have to first file we want, and so there is a method called suggested file name. That means our first file name, suggested file name method you have to use. And then, so if you want, you can print this. So this file name, if you want, you can print this. And so that file you have to save it to your current project directory, or wherever you want you can save it. I'm removing all this, okay? I don't need all this. So you need to save it. So await. So download of 0 first file. So I'm save as this file name, whatever the file name you have given, right? That file name you have to save it as. So where it is saving, it is going to save in our project directory, so that it will be available always. Otherwise it won't be available later, right? So that's the reason. So if you want to know a path also, you can get the path. I'll show you how to get the path also. So you can just put, so where that file, if you want that complete path, so path equal to await. So that download of this one, I'm using this first file. Listen. Okay. Yeah, get ready. So this is the one. And if you want, you can print that file path, console dot log. You can just give path. That's it, guys. So let's execute this quickly, and we can close for the day. So we can give verify. What is our file download, right? File download. Sorry. Say it's downloaded, and the file is going to be available here. So you can just refer lambda, right? Yes, you can see here lambda test.txt. So this is the how you can download and save it to your path. Is even see the path also it is showing very clearly. But this is a different path, and the temporary local file path is showing, but we don't need this temporary. But finally we are saving to our project directory. So this is the save as file. We got the file and we are saving to our project directory. So this is the code how you can download file and save it to this. So easy, right? In the Selenium you have to write a lot of code, but this one is very simple, right? One event you are waiting, clicking on that